Good day, YouTube. Here's a video of a project I may do, maybe not. It may be for sale. 1966 or 67 skidoo Super Olympic. As you can see, it's all here. Skis, the bumper, trim, metal trim, other ski, chain case, the motor, $2.99. Does go over very hardly. Boogie wheels, the back light, snow flap, back adjusters, and I believe that's maybe a track stand goes underneath it. Front cogs, these here things are shot. They're very brittle, but they can be replaced. Bearings all seem good. The exhaust, windshield, headlight, handlebars. Gas tank is a little rusty, but it's not flaky. Body's really good on it. This was start of a restoration. This was a running, driving snowmobile until it was taken apart for restoration and never finished. Pretty cool. The Bombardier emblem and printed into the seat. Have a little view of the motor here, which I think is the original spark plug cap. Little Tilts carburetor. It's got the little breather. Kind of neat. Still has the little Bombardier emblem on it. $2.99. Rotax. Good shape. The cab is actually in really good shape. Everything is there for the headlight to pop it up from the top. The little thing is right there. All the little thumb throttle, brake. The exhaust is in really good shape. Belt guard. Here's what's left of the original seat cover, and still pliable. It just ripped. Got a little view up underneath the tunnel here. Good. Nice shape. Track is really good considering its age. The front drivers. Skis still have the little pinstripe. Bumper's nice yet. Chrome, not beat up and smashed in it. Front end's really good shape. Pop-up headlight. So yeah, it just needs a restoration. I might get to it, but I have this one to fix. This carburetor was supposed to be there, but it's not. This literally laying, as you've seen in my other videos. Have a great day, everyone. I hope you like my video. If you do, like and subscribe. Thanks. Happy New Year. Cheers.